Hey guys, thanks very much for joining us live. Really appreciate your time. I'm out here today and listen to me waffle on for half an hour.
Yes.
Vibes only, guys. This is life-changing stuff right here, I tell you. Let's see on the inside. Give you an opportunity to get a hold of that. Are you into a little secret? All right, guys. Well, I really appreciate your time and coming out here. Feel free to ask questions along the way. If you're not on the lives, then get on the lives. You can have all your questions answered. Please mute. I can't mute on the administrator. So hi guys, it's me, Simon Davis, also known as Zone Trader. We're going to be talking about price action, a bit of psychology, and how you can transform your life, transform your mind, transform your life. Okay, if you're not talking, guys, please mute yourselves. Unmute yourself if you want to ask a question along the way. That's absolutely fine.
Hi, Simon, can you hear me? It's Terry.
Hi, Terry. How you doing?
Hi, I'm fine. At the moment, I can't see anything on the screen.
Yeah, I'm going to share now.
Okay, cool.
It's going to be a fun call. Going to give away the fisherman secret. Cheeky.
Make sure you're recording it.
Yeah, we're recorded.
Yeah. Our last section was unbelievable.
Always are. Okay. So we have Great Britain USD on the hour. We talked about this on the last call, live 3. This is live 4. So we talked about last week and the week before. I spoke about this area. It's hourly order block, got respected. And it's a nice trade from it today. You don't need home runs, guys, as long as you've managed your risk and use a positive risk to reward, then you should be all right. You drop down and look for an order block on this side, which is here. So from the hour, you drop down to 5-minute time frame, find a 5-minute order block. That's called a mirror trade, dropping down into the lower time frames to find the same setup that you're finding on the higher time frames. Do we have an hourly order block over here that set up this move? Kind of. It's inside of an hourly order block that sets up this move. Again, there's a mirror trade here. And also our signature trade is here as well, which we can't talk about on the show because all my students will kick my ass if I share that blessing with you guys. But I'll help you move forward in your trading career, in your mind, but to get the right information to change your life forever. So we have the order block here on the 5-minute inside of London between 7 and 10 p.m. and that set up the move. So you could have been in twice today, guys. If you were early bird before London, you could have caught 55 pips. It doesn't matter about the pips you're catching, guys, because it's all about the risk to reward. The lower your stop loss, the more risk to reward. So I wouldn't have minimum than a 10 pip stop loss because of spread. So this would have been a Terry, I need to mute you. So guys, this would have been a 10 pip stop loss today. And it would have been a 6R trade. So if you put 1% on that account, whatever size account you've got, you would have made 6% on your account on this trade. And then if you were in on this trade, in the middle of the candle or the top of the candle, it's up to you what you want to do here, because it's a big candle. Take the middle. Again, 10 pip stop loss, you would have been up 4%. So that would have been 10% for the day, 10% on your account. So if that was a 50 grand account with a funded account, then that would be 5 grand up on your account. And then 70% of that, guys, would be yours for the keeping for the month. So you literally would have made your month's wage in one day trading this way. And it gets better than this, guys. It gets a lot better than this, guys. I want to give you something that's in the course called the fisherman mindset, because we're huge on mindset here, guys. Absolutely huge on mindset and psychology in trading. It's like, yeah, if you know the technicals inside and out, and you haven't got the right mindset, the right psychology, you'll never move forward in this game. But we're huge on psychology. We do mind shifting audios. I'm going to give you a sneak peek on what you get inside the course as well, towards the end of the live call. So I'll give you something psychological to take away with you today that you can use moving forward in your trading, so you can take your trading to the next level, because that's what we're all about here with these Trade Mastery Lives. Good vibes only, guys. Good vibes only. Taking our lives, knowledge, mind to the next level. Seriously, every week we'll be on free live calls. Every week we'll be on paid live calls. And my students are crushing it with these live calls, because I can show you things that literally took me 4 years to discover in the markets, and you can literally discover these within 4 days. And that's how powerful is the information we have here today, guys. So I'm going to talk about the psychology of a fisherman. So this is the fisherman mindset. Because what's the main thing you've got to do in trading, guys? What's the main thing you've got to do in trading?
Be patient.
Yep, you wait. So this came into mind about the fisherman mindset, because its psychology is huge, guys. If you can tell yourself little stories along the way, you will improve your trading. We have loads of stories that will improve your trading. So the key to trading is patience and waiting for the trade. So I thought, who can I embody? What can I embody in order to, because it's the way you internalize information, it's the way you hear information. Some people just hear information, but some people receive information. Hopefully you're receiving everything that I'm sharing with you here today, because it will change the game for you moving forward. I guarantee it, in your trading career. So we've got a fisherman mind. The fisherman mindset is, we've got an order block here on the hour or even the 5-minute time frame, and you draw out your box, and then there's price below it. So what you say to yourself is, the order block is a fisherman, and this is like, sorry about that, guys. So what you say is, to yourself is, this is the order block, and this, you call it a fisherman. So you find where are the fishermen? Because why do you call it a fisherman? Because fishermen wait all day for the big fish, wait all day for the big catch of the day. Also, guys, fishermen are not afraid of losing small hooks in order to catch a big fish. Therefore, they're not afraid of losing that one trade in trading. that 1% in order to catch the big fish. They're not afraid of that. They'll lose 1, 2, or 3 fish, 3 hooks in a row, because they know that they're going to catch that whale towards the end. At least one day in the week, they'll catch a whale which will overcome all them losses. Does that make sense, guys? So this is the net of the fisherman. And when prices like down here, guys, what's this? This is the sea level, and then this is below water under here. So you got a little fish, and this is a fisherman fishing with his net. So you wouldn't want to, if the price was down here and you imagine the price to be a fish, if the fish was down here, you wouldn't jump in as the fisherman and go and grab it from the bottom of the ocean or the bottom of the river to try and catch that fish, because what will you do? You'll drown. So you've got to wait for the fish to show itself. And that's the mentality of the fisherman, where you've got to wait for the fish to show itself above water. So the order block area is above water. This is below water. So you just sit on your hands and wait for it to come. Wait for the fish, wait for price to show itself above water. Then you can catch it in your net or your fishing hook, and you can take that trade off a smaller time frame order block to sell into. So there's a nice analogy, a nice story to take with you on how you can render patience in your training moving forward as a fisherman. You find the fisherman, you wait for the fish to show itself, and then you attack. You enter the trade, and you leave that to run as far as it wants to go for the day or the week. Okay, so that's the billionaire fisherman. Moving forward. So this is called the breakthrough gateway. Something like that. It's very hard to draw like this, but the breakthrough gateway, guys. We've got the past and the present. I'm not going to write out every word. I'll do things from now on. And the future. And this is how you can break through, guys. That's terrible. Right, I won't be drawing out every word. So here, this was me, or this might be you now. And this was me a few years ago. Tired, frustrated, losing, not consistent. Right? Is anyone else put any more words to that? What you're feeling or you felt in the past towards trading? Anybody? Disappointed, not patient, not disciplined. You know, this is the past or ourselves now if we've not broke through. This is how you break through. The NMC. So this is a portal, guys, to your future self, where you want to be, where you have time freedom, less money worries, clarity in the markets, you know what to be patient for. Anything else? Confidence enough to take the trades even on a huge account, knowing that you might lose your missus's full year or husband's full year wage in one trade if you're trading a big enough account. You've got a confidence. You've got time freedom. and this is NMC, which is the Nasdaq Mastery course, and also the ST. I don't know what. Does anyone know what ST is? Any what ST stand for? Safety trade, guys. And people have been laughing at me lately about the safety trade, saying it's not got a 9 out of 10% win rate, but it has. If any of our students want to come out on call and speak about their experience with what we're doing here, I'd greatly appreciate it.
Hey, Simon.
Hey man, you all right? Who's this?
It's Jethro.
Jeffro, appreciate your time, Jeffro. How you doing?
Yeah, for sure. So,
how was your past, present, and future looking type of thing?
Oh man, my past.
It's clear path.
I was, really frustrated, tired, drained. Like, I didn't really have a clear idea of what I was doing. And then once I took your course, literally in less than a month, like, not only you show...
Shouldn't even call it a course, though, really. It's a program, isn't it? We're
here
every week. We're here
exactly.
every week, live calls. Every single question you ask, answered on call.
Exactly.
No stone left unturned. If you're confused on something, you don't pick it up. We'll help you understand what to do in the market to become a profitable, consistent.
Yeah, and what I like about your program is, like, every time you teach us, you go over the same pattern, so it could just get ingrained in our brain, so we could see the visual over and over. So like that, when we go to the chart, we're like, oh wow, this is what Simon was showing, this is what Simon was showing. And then you get confident, you draw it on your chart, and once you take the trade over and over and over again, and it's like, wow, it gives you the confidence, and then you are profitable. But another thing is, it's safe. The trade is called a safety trade, is because once the rules you give us, they don't line up, then we don't enter.
Yeah. So, when the price is over the Bollinger Band, and then the RSI goes through the 10, and then the EMA is aligned in the right direction. I'm only joking. We only use price action. We don't use indicators over here.
So it's like now the safety is for our safety. Our account, it doesn't get blown. It's like we don't have to stress over, oh my gosh, is this trade gonna go over? Is it gonna fail? It's like, it's to protect us, protect our account. So it's safe 9 out of 10. We don't really lose. So I wanted to share that with people who are on this call. Like, you should really consider taking the program. And the thing about Simon, he's always he's available. If you send him a message, I'm like, man, this guy is he's so available to his student. And to me, as a teacher, your availability, it tells a lot about about your generosity. So
yeah,
guys, you should really consider taking this program. Even for me, it changed my life. I'm about to take a...
So how's your future looking?
Oh, so bright, so bright, and so profitable. I can already see it.
You're sending me trade setups every day. Like, look at this, look at this.
Exactly.
You're catching trades within the first week. I'm like, what? I'm mind blown.
Yeah. So if you are on this call, please, Simon will guide you. Like, he's a very great teacher, amazing, phenomenal teacher. You will not regret it. Like, this is an investment to your future.
Appreciate that.
Yes.
Anybody else on the call want to come and talk about the Nasdaq Mastery Program? No? Okay, no problem.
The program is not only a program for one trade. It goes to all trade that you can use it for Nasdaq, wherever you want to use it. It's usable.
Oh yeah, who's this? Sorry.
Hey, Garcia.
Oh hey.
Garcia.
Yeah, you don't only use it for Nasdaq. You can. Yeah, that's a good point. You can use it for anything that moves in price action. It's not just about the setup with a 9 out of 10% win rate, guys. It's the overall ebb and flow of the market. And when you see this setup, you see it everywhere, all day, every day, on every single time frame. And when you put it together in this manner, which has taken me 4 years to do, you can learn it within the next 4 days.
It's
moving
a it's
forward in
a
your trading.
it's a very good program.
I always say on my
It's
Instagram,
a very
look,
good
you're
one.
learning, and that's exactly what it does. Carry on, sorry.
I said it's a very good program. And like I said earlier to Simon, Simon is not only a mentor, but he's a mentor that's available for people. When you want to reach him, you text him. He's answer you. He's right there. It's like he's right there with you. Even when you want to take a trade, I remember we tried to take a trade, and we text Simon, and Simon say, "I want to take it. It's not ready yet," and he would talk to you. So
Yeah,
that's the beauty of this program.
nice.
That's the beauty of it, and I would encourage people to be part of that.
How
And
is
that's it. That's family here.
how is your? Yeah, we are a big family over here, and we do live calls every single week for life, and there's no monthly fees, just a one-time fee. And I'll also, guys, if you're struggling with money in life, because I know how hard life can be, because we see money as like, well, if you've not got a lot of it, it restricts you from living, and a little bit of money won't create freedom for yourself. But if you've got a lot of money, making a lot of money in the markets, then it'll produce freedom. And I understand that it is hard to make money, and it's like £300 for the course, or sometimes less if I'm feeling generous. But I won't just take that off you in one payment if you're struggling in life. Also take it in 2 payments, moving, and you don't have to pay me ever again, and I'll teach you for the rest of your life. I'll be here for you as a psychologist, a trade psychologist, for the rest of your life, and because you'll know the strategy, and you might need come to me for psychology. I've got a guy who's 12 years into the game, 12 years into trading, and we have like almost regular psychology calls every week to help him through his troubles, help him through his trading mistakes, help him overcome and break through into trading. So it's not, I could charge like 10 grand for what I'm doing, but I don't want to take people's money. I want to help people. It's just a little investment into your future. So here's what you're getting access to anyway with the NASDAQ Mastery course. And I'll just play this really quick because it's a nice message. I'm not the creator of the course. I bought the rights to it. I'm the creator of the live calls, though, that come along with it.
Welcome to the NASDAQ Mastery course.
It's funny because it sounds like Neo from The Matrix.
Welcome to the NASDAQ Mastery course. It gives me great pleasure to share this unique approach and wisdom with you. Many years of research, pain, trial, and error have brought me to this point. This course will take you on a journey of enlightenment, step by step explaining each part of the course in as much detail as possible. By the end of this NASDAQ Mastery, you will have the knowledge and tools to trade the NASDAQ 100 profitably. Give yourself time, study the concepts, and enjoy the journey. Lots of alien love.
It's not only NASDAQ, though, guys. You can apply this to oil, to anything that moves in price action, Bitcoin, US 30, all the Forex pairs. You can apply it to anything that literally moves in price action. So it's half of it's text audio. So it was a PDF. I put it into a form of a course. So it's all text audio, and you don't have to read it. You can have it playing out for yourself. Half of it is text audio, but then the rest is the real game changer. We've got all the rules, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 rules. There's a few more rules than that, but there's pure gold. Then there's a recipe, so it goes exactly how to take a trade, how to take certain trades, not just a safety trade, other trades. A funded trader boot camp, I'm going to be adding to that. There's 100 free audiobooks as well on the inside as a gift for you for taking action with us and our family. What else? We do live calls every single week, and all the last year's live calls are in here as well. Trying to get some psychology audios. So we've got Unstoppable Mindset, Just Numbers, and Consistency. These are really good mind shifting audios. I'm going to be doing more in the future. I'm never going to ask you to buy a £1,000 or £2,000 program off me, because once you're in, you're in. Some people 3 years ago came in for like $50 and they still have access to all this. It's an ongoing program. There's so much here, guys. So much. And there's like hours and hours and hours of video. Each video is half an hour or more. And we go into psychology every single video as well. So if you want access to all this, guys, and join our family, then feel free to reach out to me on Instagram. And once you're in the inside, you can reach out to me even if you have not even a member, just ask me a question. I'll answer it for you. There's no problem. So this is how you're going to change your life forever, guys. Seriously. Because like I said, this was me in the past a few years ago, like 3 years ago. Had a job I hated. And I said, no longer am I going to put up with this shit and work a job that I hate. I was tired. I had no money because I was in a job, and then all the money just goes on bills. And you got with no money, you've got no freedom. We've got no time freedom. You've got no choices in life. But more money, you have choices in life. Now I've got time freedom. Go to the gym whenever I want, and I'm here, just giving my energy to help people break through the portal, which is the NASDAQ Mastery course, into your future self to become a bigger, better, stronger version of you. So if that interests you, feel free to reach out, guys. I just joined and it's a good, someone said, I just joined and it's a good program. What he said can learn in 4 days is something I taught myself in 4 years. It's all about back testing and patience and practice and putting it into use. Thank you. We're just about making people aware of what is actually going on in the markets. And it's one video as well. It's not just going to be, it's not going to be 10 videos to make up one strategy. It's literally, I'll say it within the first five seconds sometimes of a video that this is the strategy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you're in. Done. Okay, guys, thanks very much for joining us live. I really appreciate it. I hope you've found some value in this with the psychology side and helped you make the right decision in life. Cheers, guys.
Is it? Can you display your GBPUSD on the chart? On your screen right there. So GBP USD on your screen right there.
Put it on. Great Britain USD.
Yes.
Yeah.
Can you see what the market is doing right there?
Big males are known to
Sorry?
attack cubs.
Yeah, I caught that move. I don't know if I can show you. I caught that move early this morning.
Who's this? Sorry.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, who's this? Sorry.
Okay, Martins, endless.
Oh, hey. You caught which move?
From that move I got to that other block over there.
The hour.
In the hour, yes, that very one. This one.
Nice.
How do I show you now?
Very good sell.
Yeah, yes, from there up to this very moment.
Nice. Good stuff.
So this, I went through your free course.
Oh yeah, you have a free course, yeah, definitely. Yeah, I forgot about that one. We have a free course. A lot of people are in there, yeah.
So it has really helped a lot.
The what, sorry?
Yeah, I said the free course has really helped a lot to understand how to go about this.
I'm glad you found value in the free course. Better than most paid courses out there, and I give it away for free.
Yeah, so
that's good. I'm glad that that you can make money. Well, make profits in the market with my free course. That's brilliant to hear. Thank you. So glad it's helped you.
Thanks.
Really.
Yes, that's absolutely. So I have a little difficulty though, and that difficulty is determining the directional bias for the day from using the daily chart.
The 10 and 20 EMA is the daily bias and the structure. 10 and 20 EMA on the daily unless it's broken structure.
Okay. How do you determine it when the 20 gets broken?
Yeah, you can see them like spread out and going up and then spread out and going down. If they're sideways, then it's consolidating. In consolidation, drop down to lower time frames. And then if you use yourself in consolidation, you can trade turtle soups either side of the market. So it'll run the high, run the low, run the high, run the low. And then off an order block drop or rise, then this one, you see like this is the pinball machine. So it's pinball from here, and then continue downtrend. I've got a video on how to trade ranges. I see the free course is how to trade ranges as well. It's just on the 4 hour.
Okay.
Yeah, this daily direction is just 10 and 20 EMA on the daily. If it's going up, then it's bullish, but if it's going down, then it's bearish. Unless it's broken structure, which is yeah. But, got 5 minutes left.
Okay. All right, thank you for that.
All right, no problem. Quite loud. All right, thanks very much for joining us live, guys. Really appreciate your time. Hope you found value in this call. If you're interested in becoming part of our family, getting a NASDAQ Mastery course, applying it to anything in your trading, reach out to me on Zone Trader on Instagram. But only one account Zone Trader on Instagram. All right, guys. Have a great weekend. I'll see you next week.
Yes.
Hey, guys.
Simon?
Hello.
Yes.
1 second, it's quite loud. Carry on, yeah.
Thank you. Yes. Thank you for the Zoom, right? For the call. Can you please show us how to spot the BPUS, please?
Which, sorry?
The boss.
We do that another time during the week. Because we're going to wrap it up now. It's only 4 minutes left, so I won't have time to do it. Also, we'll go into great detail. Are you part of the family or? Yeah.
Excuse me?
Are you part of the family already or?
Yeah.
Cool. Well, jump on the live calls on every week and I'll go over that. Ask it on the live call. I'll cover it in great detail for you.
Good. Thank you.
All right, guys. I'm off. Stay patient, stay disciplined, always manage your risk and follow your rules. Bye for now.